Hello, fabulous fourth graders. I hope y'all are having a wonderful asynchronous day today. I miss your faces. So today we are going to be switching gears and moving into addition. So you're going to see over the next few days that we're going to be working on some different addition strategies that we can use when we're solving for large addition problems. Okay, so the first one that we're going to do today is the decompose strategy. Let me show you what this looks like. Okay, so let's say I have the addition problem 596 plus 243. And I need to solve this. Okay, before I start solving this, I just, since we're not in person, I forget to remind you guys this, but I want to remind you when we go over these strategies, you're expected to use them the day that we use them. So today I want you just using the decompose strategy. But in the future, you're only going to need to use this if you want to and when it tells you to use this strategy. Okay, so there will be times that you have to use this, but other times you're going to pick the strategy you like best, and that's what you're going to use. Today we're going to do the decompose. Okay, so I'm going to line this up just like I would with a standard algorithm, 596. So I'm going to make sure that my place values are all lined up, plus 243. But then what I'm going to do is I'm going to write these in expanded form. Okay, so we remember we did expanded form. Oh, I did a little extra monster on my M. That's okay. We did expanded form last week. So I'm going to stretch out each of these numbers. This is decomposing when we break the numbers down into the value of their place. Okay, so 596, 500 plus 90 plus 6. And I'm going to do the same thing now with 243, making sure that I line up my hundreds, my tens, and my ones. So 200 plus 40 plus 3. Okay. Now I can go ahead and solve these. Okay. I've broken up the bigger numbers. It makes it a little bit easier for me to solve. So if I solve my 1, 6 plus 3 is 9. I'm going to need to add my tens back to it. 90 plus 40. I know 9 plus 4 is 13. So 90 plus 40 is 130. Plus 500 plus 200. I know 5 plus 2 is 7. So 500 plus 200 must be 700. Okay, now when I look at this, I see that my number in my tens place has 100 in it too. So I'm going to go one step more, and I'm going to decompose this into 100 plus 30. And then I'm going to put back my other numbers. So I'm going to put back my 700 plus 100 plus 30, 130 plus 9. Now I can add up my hundreds, my tens, and my ones. Okay, so let's do that. Looking for another color, looking for another color. Here we go. 700 plus 100. That's 800. And then I have my tens plus 30 plus 9. Now I can smush them back together. 800 plus 30 plus 9. That equals 839. And that's my answer. Okay, so today, as we are solving the problems, we are going to be using the strategy of decompose. So you are going to be breaking numbers apart. All right, superstars, let's go.